Malacca, right next to the canals. Beautiful artwork. Very nice. And only for about $5 a night. Hostel. They do have private rooms here, I think, for $12 a night. But yeah, it's really nice, especially at night when you can just sit by the water and chill. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah. Hey guys, the girl 𝐼𝐿𝐿 here. I'm here in Malaysia, and I've been to Malaysia 8 times. That seems ridiculous, but this is the absolute very first time I've been to a new part of Malaysia, a small town, well actually like not so small town called Malacca, and it is absolutely adorable. It's like Georgetown but cuter. But of course this is the heritage area, and just like Penang, where everyone goes to Georgetown, that's definitely not all of Penang. Penang is actually quite large, or bigger than most tourists think. Just like Malacca is a lot more bigger than most tourists think. There's actually the heritage town in a center, or in the middle of a city. So if you leave Heritage Town, there's an actual city outside of it. So Malacca is bigger than most people think it is. I was actually kind of like, yeah, I didn't expect when we drove into the bus to see a city. I thought it was going to be like a lot more smaller, townish feel. But definitely if I was to stay here, I would stay in the Heritage Town, because I love all things old and vintage and retro. So yeah, so walking right now to go get some food, but enjoying myself so far.
One night, and one night, I stayed, and actually
Johanna has gone back in time. She found it. No? Aww. Maybe you...
Three. Hello? 3.
This is what I was eating in Bangkok.
What take that fight do it? Take it for
something else with it.
Caramel?
Yeah.
picture here. This is a pretty building.
Follow with me on Instagram.
It's actually not
Work.
Yeah, it's
It's spicy. Hello.
It is spicy.
Yeah.
The green one.
Yeah. I'm waiting for it. Ah.
Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to subscribe for Live, Love, Life, and Try.